Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all belongs to you. Somewhere speaking. Now, this is that show where know them better. Where you bring your stars that Galen Land of Blood, where you ask the questions in the most honest way and they answer honestly. Thank you for liking the show. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for supporting us as we bring you the stars of Giyani Land of Blood. Today, we've got the man himself, Tatana Obert Baloyi. Now, guys, I'm going to give you a small monologue about this man sitting next to you. Someone has inspired you in your life. They talk about this man. This man, what he's done for me, what I'm doing now. So look at this man, because I will say this story until I die. The day I saw this man, he's on TV speaking to it was such a beautiful thing that I felt. And I thought, wow, maybe one day I could be an actor. But hey, guess what? Today, he brought the rubbing shoulders. He brought the rubbing shoulders. So now, we've given you the opportunity to ask questions so that you can know him better. Because like we know, Kuri, half the time we just see him there. We know he went to Tsoma. But we don't know, there's a lot of layers about this man. There's a lot of things that he has done. There's a lot of achievement. There's a lot of paving that he has done for me, for you, to be able to where we are. I'm going to get a lot of blood today because of the works that they have done. I can't take credit. There's no one will ever take credit for this. It's him, Nabut Obert, Nabut Charles, who started this journey. So anyway, guys, you've asked your questions and you've given us or given him compliments. Now let's get straight into the business.
Balandeli ba show ya Giyani na balandeli ba yena hinkwerhu engari Giyani ntsena balandeli ba ntirho wa TV la Africa Dzonga hinkwenu Matsonga machangani aka hina
there's questions that they've been asked here which are straightforward, and I promise I'm going to know you will answer the questions honestly. Are you going to answer honestly? You're going to answer everything? Let's go. So, first one, Bright Lou Uri, is it true that you are from Madonzi village?
Mina ni biblioregia so not again man had proof.
Okay.
Ibi in Kamalia what the riots ta 86 87 skolo asula ko ilo ke mina nsuka boarding school ila ngat commander ka Madonzi a hostel a Shimwedzi High School.
Okay, so it was because of Abu Chabeka.
No, scholar sungar kona 87 87 akura scholar so it total akura ba school. So ila group yotala ya generation ya hina yinga ya to hostel. That's why it hostel mukalo kuma kutele bu bankuna kutele bu Giyani High. So mina ebi 87 88 ila ngat kumanri a Shimwedzi High School ka Madonzi. Madonzi le kamalamulera.
Oh, yeah. So I'll be going on. Right, who's stream? If you could Kenny Masaul, Mr. Baloyi, my question is, when did you start this industry of acting, and what do you do besides acting? And I want to know about academics and qualifications, even at your age. Like, when did you start this?
Nisungule 87. Kamadonzi ke Shimwedzi anira loku skolo ma form 5 enkarhi lwangu na mangi ma grade 12 abahamba bayindlirwa ti farewell lesunguna sisibasitana 9
matric ball
matric 1 to atina ke enkarhi walo, and then akurina trend yin'wana le xikolweni ku ri loko va na matric farewell ya le former matric mele ku endliwa show. So even tikuma ni ri ka show ya leyo, and it was a small part, and but yi dzinginisa Shimwedzi Hall la ya nitlanga nganga so na mina well kahle mara mina swa mitlaitla swa ti humor so actors vula ku ri aniri na swona but ni nga ri aware. So ivi mara my first ku ri ni khandiya stage hi le holweni leyintshwa ya Shimwedzi High.
So, we've been doing this thing for a very long time. It's just that we've not been established into it.
Yeah, no, yes, I swear that akurina leswa swin'wana swa ku ri Vatsonga machangani hina tinyatha. More especially mina ke nikulela location just nimbyela no additive and area le nga bibulera ka ona area dominate hi Basotho nkarhi lowu wa group areas act a wu swi fila loko ri Mchangani a wu swi fila that's why u kuma ku ri van'wana a va chava no vulavula Xichangani to be honest ya na sweswi ku na van'wana u kuma ku ri a va xi vulavuli nkarhi luya ke a ku ri west but mina a ni tivi ku swi te njhani understand
I want to only because I just met your mother now and she's very expressive in how she speaks the language.
ya ra vulavula and a vona laha kaya laha zone 4 Basotho ntsena laha a ku dumile ku ri hi le Machangani and yeah well laha ni rata ku ri Machangani nkama loyi a bibiriwa hi tele phela loko lava vana vo tala a wu ya laha ku Machanganini and xavisiwa na ti-vegetable a kuma Machanganini and but mina a ni ri munhu un'wana no ti vulavula and a ni nga but a ku tika because loko ni suka laha a zone 4 ne xikolo xa mina a xi ri a Diepkloof zone 2 mina ni tshama zone 4 a ni fanele ku ri ni hundza a zone 1 a zone 1 a ku tshama Mazulu mfu a swi tika loko suka a zone 4 Mchangani loko ya huma o hundza Mazulu ni khumula siku rin'wana ni tsutsumisiwa hi biwa a ni Changani but na no van'wana ha ri na ku hlangana and then hi hleka hi swona mara mina ke a ni nga ti fihli and that's why I think
one thing I'll do later, this is a question that I'll ask. Basically, that's where my guy Gamchang came from.
Yeah.
Even I thought academics and qualifications, kumela nito.
Mina nina matric. Loyi ninga kuma banku na hi 91 90 something kwa ya. Matric wa mina nikume banku na nani repeater from Mawawa. Wabona uyibona ndlela mina. Sungule ka Madodzi nyaka ka N'wamipa ankambako kambako kusuka nkambako hi mina luya ni tikuma ku ni ri kwi ankuwa so that's why ndhawu liya ni tiva so ya matric wa mina ni kume nkuwa ivi loko ni heta ke ni vuya ni kuma training mina ni train vanhu vo tala man vanhu lava va ti product ta Gibson Kende ni train vanhu vo fana vo the latest Romkomonde Danielton Michaels.
I think he play a bigger key that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too much.
Danielton
I endla mina te loko ngiya le kaya ne. Well ni ndli ti show na show yin'wana bari ku nzima ni ngi ni tlanga a Ankuwa community hall nkarhi wa ni ri bankuna. Hi yona ke ya ni kume role leyikulu. Hi yona yi nga ni nyika matimba an'wana ku ri no man
you know this thing.
Na so loko ni vuya leyi ifika ni tili matric ni buya kaya se manje hi lavana na mintirho ayikona and after se ku votiwile 94 and mara na byela mahita ku ri va futhi mina ni must va na actor so one day ku va na mhana n'wana wa mina so a ku mfuthu ni vone vanhu va actor ku a DOCC ba actisa outlier Papa G ya ka Sidingo watwa hawu niya ku mina loko ni yala ni kuma ri group vele and aba heta ku thora ne nkarhi lowu aba thora va vuya boma kwi le tatin auditionile lana vo orla Mamzakiti va tirhena vanhu vo fana na vo Ndaba Mhlongo Mamzakiti va auditionile ka xirhuma xin'wana ai va vona ku ri
ya chela barley
munhu lowani a wa pfuretela but a ni nga swi koti ku dance a ni nga swi koti ku yimbelela so va fika laha va rema ya tlanga show liya va ri no urini ni ri mina va futhi master ku ri na mbona ma yendla hinkwaswo mara 18 kona ha rivalana hawu group la hinkwayo va u tivela ku 18 ku ne
u te active ke ku tlula
ya ni vule ta
u kuma dance man na
mbona ni kwa and then now u vuya kwihi ni ka mina ni tshama Diepkloof u dyondzele ku 18 kama lamulela ka ene kama luya phela ku vuya kaya nkarhi luya loko yo vula vanhu vo lima a nga ku vuya xipilongo nga ku bani tinhleka le mina ni munhu wo tibulavulela vona va ni ga chance ni va vonisa chaka ke ivi Danielton a tsala show va ku Jack Roll so laha a ku lava pure Zulu
okay
so xizulu xa mina a ri Changa Zulu Danielton a ku ne man bona wena man lewa ni tlanga ku wa nga tlangi Changa and munhu fana na mina ne la ku ri nkuma kahle a ni nge se tshama ni ya theater wow since a ni nge se tshama ni vona theater sketch a ni xi vone a kaya ha kula ku na front opposite ne le kaya a va endla ti show twana ni ku byela ke ni ya ni ku na ku actor serious you know ani plaza ina ri vona lavo ka hi nga hlambi mani no loko a kula and lava loko va ya xikolweni a va hlambile va ya la ni khumbula ni yimile le opposite na le kaya ni va langutile va ri ku acting
unavela
ya man but nti humela ka wona so ite loko se ni vuya le ka Jack Roll ni bada show ichangana Windbrew ya munhu loyi a ri Zulu mara la ya se va ku Zulu but na ni mchangana ene mina a ni ri na vito ra mina leri va nga i Gam Changana leri ni nga ri kuma ka mahunzi so ite loko i karhi i tlanga xone so va endla yini van'wana lava va ti-actara loko director yi nga ri kona va ta ta ka mina ku phati liya ni yi tlange njhani
lawa a va ku hlayekela vanhu
ya hi la se ni endlaku na ku byela ku ri no laya yi tlangiso loko va ku va yi tlanga and then wa swi ta ku ri a ni dyondza yini kwalano a ni dyondza ku direct
wasbo
kwalano a ni dyondza ku va perform va ri ni coach acting se man loko yi tlanga ni va endla switiso leta hina a hi famba hi ti tlanga xikolweni ne man lavawani na mina ivi se ni ya ka xikolo xin'wana ni ku man na show ya mina show ya wena
Gam Changana
va ku tanta yi tlanga ni teka majita la lokixini a vi tshama va act ku hakeriwile phela ti-2 rand ni tlanga la ku ri se ni mixa swo tala loko yi ku hayi vo ni tlange show ni vuyela le Orlando se ni khome mali nyana u fike le bla bla u yimani nyana n'wina hi ri ni karhi ni kombela ku ri hi la ku ya TV mara a mi byeli bla 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 ma vona se ni le ku kuleni ivi Gibson Kente a ri ku auditioneni na henhla va Maslafu a se twile ku ri nema
ku na ntona n'wana
ku na munhu wa so va ku n'wi vitane na ta audition ni ya ni group leya le hansi loko famba u nga ha vuyi wa twa mina ni ku I mean van'wani mi huma ka Gibson Kente ni Gibson Kente i mani a nga lavi ku tirha na Gibson
of course yes
like ya mina ke ivi ni va ka first TV drama ya Gibson Kente na mina it was my first TV show 1996
I was doing grade what is it grade 10
yeah 96 se wow ni ukuma se ni huma na le Windbrew theater ntlange Jack Roll se le na Gam Changana se ni le ku itsaleni ntlanga xikolweni ivi ni ya nghenela community theater project festival a market theater in 1996 towards the end ivi a ri community a tela ni ivi ku khethiwa the best Zwakala festival 10 of the best
I know the festival
10 of the best and I read that akufambiwa and then ivi you wina the best of Zwakala next year ya market theater so ila munhu nga kuma ku ra kuma recognition ka vanhu vo fana na vo Dr John Kani ya ila se ni nga sungula ke na mina se akudumile ka ti round ku ri hey kuna mfana n'wana wa Mchangana na mina se ni ti ya ku ra na tshivela ni endla kukhululeka hinkwaswo leswi and then yeah
even Mbedzi Chap Mbedzi what motivates you on character that you play on Galen of Blood and Khardumeli
ka Khardumeli ni na malume balovile malume wa mina malume Freddy Hlomane so malume lavani man a hi twana na blind abantu vitana Debbie don't let me down malume ku ra va vitana Nhlamba Swiswi loko va nwile malume ku ri a va tsakisa bona so ita loko yi tlanga Khardumeli ni ku nema
you copy that man
I lava malume Hlomane and bona va swi badiding va ri and manje mina that character ni tlanga ni faka na xuma ya mina and then ene phela ka Khardumeli u tiva ku ri khale ni wisha ku ri sta ku ri ndzi ku kuma siko because a se ni endli ti guest ka umzini insizwa bla 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 bla
so all about some
so alava ite loko ni kuma no ka lavela na church va ku and azami suba east na Xichangana
ava ala
no abalabe munhu wa vula Xivenda la but mina Martin antiva ni from ka Gam Changana
and theater and all
yeah so ite loko ifika lana kona Xichangana aba nga xilavi ayiri amelo xifaka pfutsanana
like you know
antiva xitswana bona but ite mina ni ku ho yimanyana mi nge ntlanga and na kuma ku ri so a ku na choice va hamba va man Xichangana va te 30% mina manje ni endla yini Yeah.
Same thing happened to me, guys. No, this is an English channel. Speak. I'm like, but come on.
Litwili voice uyan bitole telefonically.
He told you.
Korna fumana anti ba khata e alahlela changani ba wa
Exactly. And now, we agreed, him and I.
Yeah.
We're gonna speak strong. Back next. Back no.
usungure lo ristonga mna ri changa.
Yeah, menale.
Yeah.
You get 1 minute. It's fine. I take it. I'm sick in this way.
Yeah.
No, but anyway, but I'm glad could you. But basically, the thing that you fought for were. Hence, I'm saying, hence I would always respect you, bro, and I would always, like, I'll never find myself putting or speaking or saying anything or doing anything and not bring you into the conversation, because if the things that I've went through, man, I can only imagine how more difficult you had to go through this nonsense. Because, man, I went through these things after 96, after 2006. Where in 1996, 10 years ago, you've been doing all these things. So that's what I'm saying, for me, my brother, I don't have words for you. I'll always honor you and respect the work that you've done. Anyway, so I am okay. Kuna natural money. Out of all the dramas and soaps that you've been on, would you say Gyanland of Blood is your greatest achievement?
Like how?
Like you've done stuff.
Yeah.
Is Gyanland of Blood the cherry of the things that you've done so far?
So far, ningaku surely nganhumilerisa. Ningati bona karisa yona. Le nambi ko banjani mundu angitibako. Igamchanga. Phela gamchanga niyona yingani faka
people.
Yeah, and gamchanga niyona ngenhla kuri nikuma recognition from ka fellow industry. Kuhloniphiwa manje. Yeah, ka industry. Uhloniphiwa yi batlangi kuloni yegamchanga. Ibi, but to be honest bafowethu, Khardumeli yona ngendla futhi umatibile left and right. So ninga bol kuri Giyani aitir. Yatir, understand? But kurse muna sungna na yena a twana lokuse o famba o le kule lo bantu ba Khardumeli. So but the show hinkwato for me not important. Ku hava show le intsanani, ku hava show le ikulu. Hinkwato ti take step by step. Like na le nga tshami yenda na I mean, le nga tshama director Sean Penn.
I want to
but kuba ujike na Sean Penn, ushare room na Sean Penn, Jimbrilo, Charles Chiron, Mabo Mandezi. Na sona swi contributed because we build up a confidence. So the show in what the thing ningatenda, the contributed.
True. Even
yeah.
So with all that, the conditioner again Gyanland of Blood, like you got to a point where you got very anxious because there was no call coming. Personally, I knew he's been penciled because I was one of the guys at auditions, of course, as you know. I knew he's been penciled, but then because I'm not part of production, I can't give him the news. All I'll say, but no, don't worry, it's all in order. No, don't worry, it's all in order. See, with all what coming. Look, it's acting, man.
No, I want to mean this one. I recorded Kofana bafowethu naloku ulweri nje musha angateka bana ba Israeli abahumesa le Egypt ibilokuse bayafika ka tiko ra Ntswamba na Bulombe ungakona well sona asta I mean na tifeni hinkwenu abat namna sta ntshova moya ku hayibo.
Not true.
Njani.
I agree with you. I fully agree with him. Even surprise Sabu, hi Bufumani. You like to ask Mr. Baloyi the following questions. What have you done to improve his celebrity knowledge in the last year?
Like kanjani?
And this is
Shilungule Joana ngamtsala ngokuri celebrity knowledge.
Like your celebrity status. How did you improve that?
Oh, mina kahle anititeki nje celebrity swana loko no hlangana na wena uku yena celebrity ilo celebrity ntakubitana noku teacher kahle ku ri no nambo utsutsuma ukuhlengani
It's
man
okay.
as not celebrity and ku va munhu a improve na wena u va u ri laha first thing leswi na ku famba loko ni endla ti-motivational na loko ni endla ti-workshop ta ti-acting ni byela vanhu vo tala na ti-actor to tala ku ri a fame u nga yi teki u yi veka laha and you know who you are so why mele manje leswi xa important i ku ri loko u tirha u endla yini
True.
because loko u tirha wena u ya detetela timali ta wena u endla yini wa vona loko production yi hela swi herile loko se u ya futhi se u ya audition and then se una stress and then kasi so u ti manage
ibe heta are you an Orlando Pirates fan now? U twa ku an Orlando Pirates fan?
ya ni mabhakabhaka strong from kale ku atlanga vo mthotsi khumalo potsotso makaya vo Bachini Mahlangu Ivo Shumeniki Jeto Kambala wa vona takutana bhakabhaka hinkwaro
Excellent Thomas. Excellent. If there's any other character that you would play on Gallon of Blood, which one would it be?
Ihlangana yena lo naloko bongibuyisa mluku mindlwane ntatlanga yena Ihlangana.
Okay, Thaiseka. What is this question to Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Obert? What is your biggest challenge on taking up this role? I think.
Yeah, good one. Nangunani babzena bufumana. My challenge ka Hlengani was ni tlange tsutsuma for
6-7 years.
Yeah, something like that. Understand? Ni karhi ni tlanga tsutsuma. Okay, tsutsuma una audience ya na Batswaneni kwi but now Batsonga Machangani ikaya ka tsutsuma. Understand? Imati. Tsutsuma ingabe ri ngwenya so matimba ngwenya imati. So my challenge was and la kurima langa butsa question le futhi
Hlayiseka.
Hlayiseka. Challenge ya mina a ni ri ku hleketela munhu wo fana na wena ku hlayiseka ka Khardumeli u vona tsutsuma hlayiseka a nga fanelanga tlhavona tsutsuma ka Land of Blood so na vo Fumani va byela mani bafowethu na director ni ku please na kombela a ni lavi tsutsuma la challenge yaleyo a ri yona ku ri ni hambanisa tsutsuma na Hlengani and a swi nga ri easy, trust me.
Of course.
A swi easy but because of ku tiyimisela na ku rhandza leswi ni swi endlaka and all those things
and the training.
Yeah, training ni kote ku va hambanisa.
Dr. Nkuna or Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Obert, are you married?
Yes, I'm married. Nchatile, ni divorce, ni khenchata, I've done it all. That's why na lo ni motivate na vanhu lava va ku dzuma ku tele na la kala vanhu lava va nga karhateka na hi le mucatweni ta ku byela timhaka ta mucato ta vutomi hinkwato mbe na munhu 11 years after 11 years we divorce and sweswiwani ka marriage leyi ni nga le ka wona is 11 years ni tshame na vana va mina for lembe hinkwaro nhonyana na mfana ni swi hlambisa sweswiwani lava va nhonyana se va u faka na tiphetsa ni n'wi hlambisa mina na lexa mfana manje se xi kurile ya vona ya.
Okay, Raudi Rachikombo, uri Mr. Baloyi, do you smoke or do you drink?
I don't smoke, I don't drink, I used to. Ani nwili byala ni dzahili se na swi.
So uri accept acting. What do you do in your spare time?
Acting is my life. Indlela lewani. Esiniburi ni ku ni endla ti-coaching wona sweswiwani na ku famba vana va xikolo ti-project ku ri ni nga ku hinkwaswo leswi ni swi endlaka mina it's artistically and a ni na problem hi swona because ni dyondzisile vana va hetile xikolo ni va akerile miti ni jakani ni nga ku life yi sharp so ni nga ku the way xikwembu xi nga ni nyika swona leswiwani na the way ni kotaka ku swi manejisa swiswona ni sharp.
So Brigalia Nyanzeni, uri, what has been your greatest accomplishment as an actor?
My greatest accomplishment as an actor is kuva sweswiwani ni kuma a vona ku ri ku vuye ku va na Giyani Land of Blood leyi hina Vatsonga Machangani hi tinyungubyisani hi yona ne. Okay, we can talk but for me now that thing it was a dream ku ri one day mele ku va na soapy or whatever yes Changani.
And I think maybe to add to that, so
Yeah.
what people don't understand the struggle that we had as actors pushing this thing and trying to push the identity of Vatsonga. It could actually in my almost 20 years, 18 years this year as an actor, this is the first job I've had in my life where I have spent no more than 2-3 months. In almost how many years?
You. Phela hleketa ku ri ni professional 86.
The 86.
And this is my first job laying back for 7 months.
So that's how difficult it has been. That's why it's key for you guys to support the show, to make sure that other guys don't go through what we went through.
And we are cool now, and then
leyo
ngaku it's leswi mina ngakwa vuton'wini bya mina. Serious achieving loko ntshama. Wabona sometimes akuma loko famba ba ku kuma vatsonga machave why represent. But now we are.
It's better now compared to because before it was representing, yes, it was great, but guys, it was painful at the same time because like there was
we need more shows
because of their support. The more they support the show, again stays on. What it means, it could other channels saying, oh, strong Shaspan. Or Uncle Baloy. It's coincidence that every role you play, kuna some humor and thing. Do you excel in comedy or what's happening?
No, Staguri. Ningabu yes, I'm a born comedian. So from before. But so logiri kutanga in my bona iliwa ni Gyan. Kuna bukosi, na Musa, kuna busman. So ufana ulamtisa wena okay. La nambi non andabe ku ni chavela out but ya need ka that humor but in a different style because mele ku bana lava ngi ku bana munhu wa breaka ku ti eyes understand so loko I bona humor le I find na ka gardumini but kuna humor
there is actually a lot of room
kuna humor and then kwala no lava ni technique timing
comedic timing
yes and understanding because this is not a sitcom but mele u breaker so mina role ya mina se ni kumili ile one famba yona ke
I say look say carry heta kuna some compliments never say without these compliments because they love you kuna silence Percy uri utsakiswa hisitsonga lesimi bla
yeah
what's that
ngeke nungibonisa something ko hisitsonga lexi
oh yeah
ileshwa yeah
based on a Xitsonga comedy and then he won the after that
yeah really so ikutiyimisela and na n'wina mi nga tirivali ma swi tiva role leyi mi tlangaku not question it no loko am ku ri Mr. Shilubane u endlili whatever leswi a nga swi endla a ku ti question ivi mi nga vutisi ma vona ku ri a hi ta fa ku rawo we are ignore but ko ba mi vutisa question leta yena mi follow channel ya n'wina you are also playing a role ku ri mi yenda the way nga so a changa lexi mina ani xi hlanganile phela xaka madonzi xa le Soweto xaka Nwamitwa xa le Nkwangwa hinkwaswo nada
even Olivia Ubisi Mr. Baloyi your acting is at its tops. You are entertaining us. You are funny. We love you. I first saw you on Khalid Dumela. I used to love that drama because of you. You were killing it.
Yeah. Yeah. But so now you read too much and nothing. The classes and everything. Jondo, I hate. So you keep on nalogo ulangpe TV. Amam nalogo ulangpe TV. Story nkwas na squash to sokan nasilang tisi. Nakuta ektarang one backbone na balang tis TV. Nuku no this person sometimes somewhere una mistake because na minana ilang tisa locally. International. So that ni bona ko okay internationally. Bari lengse ko tani we. Locally I have to be updated. La locally because I'm competing. Na ban bala local. You understand?
Anyway, guys, thank you for these beautiful questions. He answered honestly.
Yeah.
He was there with you throughout the moment, and we love you. Don't forget to subscribe. It was me, Fumani and Shilubana. I brought you Mr. Baloyi. Munzuku, we've got another man that you will see in money. I will not share it here, but when we do that one, guys, I would not like to leave before I say these two beautiful people. Noel Baloyi for putting our stuff together, and Mani Lavanish Kambana, our DOP, for making this show to be possible. We thank you guys. We love you guys. Please subscribe.
Mabona manje Land of Blood. Itaba community maybe more than 7.
Yeah, not Lamuto.
Balaketala Land of Blood young win.
Baletakin. You calculate. Sharp guys.
Malaba Mati.